Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. First, understand the BBB acts as a neutral third party, helping resolve disputes between consumers and businesses. Filing a complaint is an effective way to address unresolved issues, especially after direct attempts with the company fail. It encourages businesses to respond within a specific timeframe and work towards a resolution, helping you achieve a satisfactory outcome. Before you begin, gather all pertinent information to support your claim. This includes receipts, contracts, and any email correspondence or chat logs you have exchanged with the business. Make sure to note specific dates, product or service details, and the exact amount of money in question. Having all these details organized will make the filing process much smoother and more effective. Next, visit the Better Business Bureau's website and locate the File a Complaint section. You will need to accurately provide the business's full legal name, its complete address, and any available contact details. Clearly describe your issue in chronological order, state precisely what resolution you are seeking, and upload all the supporting documents you gathered in the previous step. Be concise and factual. If you encounter problems during activation, first double-check that you are typing your credentials correctly. Temporary passwords can be case-sensitive. If the system rejects your login, use the Forgot Password or Account Recovery option. This usually sends a reset link to your personal email. Make sure you are using the correct web address for your college's email system. Should problems persist, do not hesitate to contact the university's IT help desk. They are there to assist you promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.